Shifting focus to Maharashtra, the Freedom of Religion Act 2026 will come into force on Friday. The legislation toughens legal provisions against forced religious conversions. Its impact is already being felt among Christian congregations across the Mumbai Metropolitan Region. Additional precautions are being taken, with some pastors even asking worshippers to sign self-declaration forms. Now, it states that they are attending the prayer meeting of their own choice and face no pressure. No inducement, no temptation, no lure or threat of any kind. Some of these forms reportedly seek photographs along with Aadhaar or PAN details. Churches in areas including Vasai, Virar and Mira Bandar have also stepped up security, including installing CCTV cameras. The legislation prohibits conversions carried out through coercion, fraud, inducement, misrepresentation, undue influence or fraudulent means. The bill also prohibits conversions carried out through marriage or promise of marriage if such acts involve inducement, coercion or deceit. Now, under this act, unlawful conversion on the pretext of marriage will attract imprisonment of up to 7 years and a fine of up to 1 lakh rupees. Conversion involving a minor, a person of unsound mind, a woman or a person belonging to the scheduled caste or scheduled tribe will attract imprisonment of up to 7 years and a fine of up to 5 lakh rupees. Mass conversions will be punishable with up to 7 years in jail and a fine of 5 lakh rupees. Repeat individual offenders can face up to 10 years in prison and a fine of 5 lakh rupees. The legislation also makes it mandatory for the officer in charge of a police station to register a complaint made by any person regarding an alleged unlawful conversion. And there's more on this from our principal correspondent Disha Yadav, who sent us this report from Mumbai.
Well, that is right. The impact of Maharashtra's new anti-conversion law is already visible on the ground much before it formally comes into effect from August 28th this year. What we understand that across several prayer halls in Mumbai, pastors are now asking worshippers to sign a self-declaration form confirming that they are attending the prayer meetings voluntarily without any threat or forced or conversion from the churches. In fact, they do say that this is the need of the hour because the new law comes into effect from August 28th and they do not want any charges against the churches saying that they have forcefully asking people to come and attend the prayer meetings, and that is why this documentation is much needed. In fact, churches have also stepped up security and CCTV surveillances inside as well as outside the prayer hall meetings as well. However, Mumbai police do say that this is a one-time incident that they are looking in several of the churches, but they do feel that this is not a recurring pattern that they are observing across Mumbai. This is Isha reporting from Mumbai for WION World is One.